Hey parents, there's just been some questions on the array PowerPoint that we sent out. The one that we sent initially was going to a OneDrive, which if you have answers put in it, then it shares those answers with everybody that opens it. So I sent you this morning a new link. Oops, there's Avery's work there. Okay, so it's right here. And so open the link up, and then, so you have to be doing this on a computer because you need PowerPoint. So right now I don't see all the answers over here, so I have to go up here and open this in PowerPoint mode. So you just hit open link, hit yes, and I can just X that out. And then it'll open up in PowerPoint on your computer, and you will have, hopefully this works, right? Okay, well, it just worked. So we did just have answers over here when I opened it a minute ago. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So make sure it's in PowerPoint mode. Sorry. And then you should be able to, this is just the example, drag the numbers over. So this is 3 rows. You just pull them over of 4. And then you can, down here, make the equation. So you're either adding 4 3 times, 4 plus 4 plus 4, or you can do 3 times 4. You can use this as a multiplication button. Cannon did it that way. He preferred to see it as multiplication, and so he just somehow flipped this one. I'm not really sure. Oh, I think you can kind of turn it. Anyways, that's not working, but he figured out a way to flip that for it to be multiplication. And then they just put the equation down here, equals 12. Okay. So let me know if you are still having issues. Again, you have to do this on a computer. So if you're doing it on an iPad, I think you can pull it up and still get all the problems. And then you can just, if you want to just have them write it on a piece of paper. And in the original email that I sent you, that there's an answer document in the on the math board. So you could print that out and have them write the answers in, or just have them do it on a separate piece of paper. Okay? Let me know if y'all are still having issues. Sorry about that confusion. Bye, guys.